This is a wet and misty day on Dartmoor, and we are visiting Haytor. Tor is a Somerset and West Country name for a hill, just like Glastonbury Tor, but this is Haytor, a large granite outcrop of rocks right in the middle of Dartmoor, said to be the inspiration for the Hound of the Baskervilles. The mystery behind this place is that a witch turned a pack of crazed hounds into the solid mass, and to this day you can still hear them baying when the moon is full. But today it is a wet, misty, damp Sunday morning, and just like all the places I go on my wizard adventures, I have come here to leave an offering. Recently I went to Cerne Abbas Giant and left a symbol of Ingi Frey, the rune Ing, on the ground. Here is different. I will leave the symbol of the wild boar to bring prosperity, to bring abundance and vitality back to the land, for that is what we are missing. I leave this as an offering, for whoever finds it will bring the Lord Ingi Frey into their life. This is where I place the pendant. It is called Weird Girl, the blood price, and this boar is called Golden Brusty, the symbol of the fairy king himself, the lord of the light elves. Yibarathu, may whoever find that find prosperity. This place I will come again.